In this video, I'll show you how to enable backup codes on Roblox. What you need to do, open up your Roblox. Make sure Roblox is currently updated. Click on this more option. Once you click on it, scroll down, click on settings. Click on security. Now wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, scroll down. You're going to be able to see two-step verification. So make sure you enable one of these verification. You can be able to use your mail or the authenticator app. So I'm using my mail for this. So because of I've already enabled this, what you need to do, I need to scroll down. You're going to be able to see backup codes. So generate and use. So if I click on it now, I'm going to be able to get my backup code once I've verified that I'm the one that want to log in. So once you have followed this step, if you click on generate, you're going to be able to get your own backup codes here on Roblox. So make sure you keep it safely. Make sure you keep it safely. Make sure you store it safely once you get your own backup codes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the very next video.